Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to add payment option to eBay. So if you also want to add payment option to eBay, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in ebay.com, press enter. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top left corner, you'll be able to see your name. All you have to do is click on it. Now a drop down menu will appear. You can see two options over here, account settings and sign out. All you have to do is click on the first option, that is account settings. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see several options over here. Under the payment information option, you'll be able to see the option for payments. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see an option, add a checkout method. You can add a checkout method over here. You can also add a payout method. Simply you'll have to link the bank account and provide the account details. But that option is not showing in mine. So if you want to add a checkout method, you can see an option for add credit or debit card. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be able to see this kind of pop-up. You'll have to provide your card information over here. First of all, enter your card number. Now enter the expiration date of your card. First of all, enter the month. Now enter the year. Now also provide your security code. Now enter your first name. Now enter your last name. Scroll down. Here you can see option for continue. All you have to do is click on it. After that, your credit card or debit card will be added. So that is how you add payment option to eBay. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.